Okay, so this week we kind of spent a lot of time tweaking our existing features. So we're gonna show some of those now. It's slash making things look better, I guess, in terms of UI. We still have more UI changes planned, which we will get to for the final week. So to demo, I'm gonna log in as myself. Log in. And so we go to this page, and as you might see from the previous iteration of this project, the Explorer page looks different. So essentially, these are just kind of like previews of what all the projects are. So let's say we click this one, it'll open up a bigger like pop-up with more details regarding this project. So there's tags, there's join, follow, and so I guess I can send an invite and follow Peony Null. So, and I can also visit their profile and visit their schedule, which Gaurav will demonstrate later.
Okay.
And so now in the create projects, we have a bunch more features we can add. So Gaurav will again talk about the scheduling part of this, but so you can do tags. This user only has 3 tags, it looks like. So let's just say it's all 3 of them. And then let's say we enter a name. So if I create a project, it says that the start date cannot be empty. That is required. So let's enter one, and then we'll put it in a description. Demo test, I guess, just to distinguish it. And so we'll create a project, and it'll tell you that the project was created successfully. So enter new tags is pretty much the same as before. So I guess yeah. So that's that, and Gaurav will now demonstrate the scheduling.
Okay. So for our user scenario last week, we tried to add in the feature for scheduling, which was intended to help users, I guess, figure out based on their own schedule, which you can see in their profile here, how they could fit it in with the projects that were available in the Explore page. So, for example, going down to, let's see, test. Actually, what's a project that?
You can create a new one.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. I'll create one. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. So I'll create a project then. With times, and it'll be called time test. It'll be called 2020. One, and test. And creating this project, if I switch accounts, I'll be able to see it. Oh, actually, I can switch accounts. Switch accounts like this. Oh. Okay. And going to Explore now. It should appear since it's someone else's, and I should be able to see these 2 pages. So the first page of these is the creator's availabilities. These are not editable, but they reflect. I mean, as if you saw in the profile page earlier for when I was logged in as Gurinder, their own schedule, so you could see whether or not you'd want to follow them and have potential future collaborations with them. And then for their projects,
Yeah.
we can also see that this is one of the users who is part of that project, and their involvement is reflected here. And then additionally, this is the availabilities that this project has for time. And going back to my own profile, I will be able to change the shape of my schedule with an update there, and then likewise see the counterpart, all of the overlaps of my own project involvement down here from all of these. As you can see, it gets darker when there's multiple overlaps, and then lighter for when there's only one. And that should about cover the things that I worked on this week between the updating and the creation of schedules.